Encountering the "You've reached the daily free message limit" message on Poe AI can be frustrating, but understanding this system is the first step to working with it effectively. Poe AI is a platform that provides access to multiple AI models, but like most AI services, it implements usage restrictions to balance accessibility with operational costs. As a free user in 2025, you typically have access to 20 to 30 messages per day across all AI models. This is a hard limit that applies to your entire account. This limit resets every 24 hours based on your first interaction time. The reset occurs exactly 24 hours from when you sent your first message of the day. Understanding what counts as a message is crucial. Each query counts as one message, regardless of length. Follow-up questions count separately, and image uploads or file attachments may consume additional credits. You can check your current usage and limits in the Poe settings page, which shows your subscription status and daily message limits for various AI models. There are immediate solutions you can implement. First, wait for the reset, which occurs exactly 24 hours from your first daily interaction. You can also optimize your message usage by combining multiple questions into single detailed prompts. Remember that different AI models may have varying consumption rates, so choosing the right bot for your specific task can help you make the most of your daily message allowance. While you might consider creating multiple accounts as a workaround for Poe AI's daily limits, this approach comes with significant risks that you should understand. Creating multiple accounts may violate Poe AI's terms of service and could result in account suspension. This risky approach is not recommended for reliable access. A more sustainable solution is to consider a Poe subscription, which provides significant benefits for regular users. Poe subscriptions offer unlimited messages for most models, giving you unrestricted access to AI conversations throughout the day. You also gain access to premium AI models like GPT-4 and Claude 3, which offer more advanced capabilities than basic models. Additionally, premium subscribers receive priority server access during peak times, ensuring faster response times when the platform is busy. As of 2025, monthly subscriptions range from $19.99 to $39.99, with annual plans offering significant discounts of 20 to 30%. Looking ahead, the AI industry is moving towards more sophisticated freemium models that balance accessibility with sustainability. The future points toward dynamic, usage-based pricing models that adapt to individual user patterns and needs. As competition increases among AI platforms, we can expect enhancements to free tiers, potentially offering more generous daily allowances to attract users. By understanding these trends and strategically managing your usage, you can effectively navigate Poe AI's limitations and make informed decisions about your AI tool investments.